Hey students, welcome to the Python programming for school students tutorial. So today we will be covering iterative statements and the jump statement. What is iterative statements? The process of repeating a set of instructions based on a condition is called a loop. Mainly we use two types of loops. One is for loop and the other is while loop. Let's see both the loops. Let's discuss about the for loop. The for loop is used to repeat a set of instructions a fixed number of times. It means we define how many times the loop will execute. Okay, and this is the syntax for, then counter variable, then in sequence, and under this, whatever statements we want to perform, we write that. And the for loop, it is of two types. One is by using sequence and the other is using the range function. So let's see both the types. Let's see an example using with list. So here whatever elements are present inside the list, it will print all the elements. This is using sequence. Let's see another example by using list of string. Okay, so we are using the for loop in a list of strings. Let's check another example with only string. Okay, this is all about using sequence. Let's check using the range function. So this is the syntax for variable in range, then start and step under these statements. So this is start and end. Suppose we start it from 1 and end is our 5. So it will go up to 5. It means it will work for 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is how much step we want to increment or decrement. Like it will go for 1 plus 1 step or 1 plus 2 step. We have to define. Okay. Like I had said, like if you are defining the start 1 and end is 5, so it will go up to the end, means end minus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. And here you are defining it should, the increment is 1. It means it will go like 1, 2, 3, 4. If we define here, got it? It worked like 1, 3, and 5. Let's take another example. Here we are defining the start is 5, end is 0, and let's say okay. Yes. So it is going like we have used the in decreasing. The loop is in decreasing. So first it will print 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It will go, if it is decreasing, then it work till n plus 1. So from 5 to 1. So this is for loop. Let's discuss the while loop. The while loop is used to repeat a set of instructions as long as the condition is true. It means that The number of loop it will be executed, it is not fixed. As long as the condition satisfies, it will work. So this is the syntax: while condition, then statements. Let's see by an example. Let me close it. Okay, so it is a program. Input a number and check for even or odd. Program continues till the user wants. So let's run it. It will take an use input from the user, then it will check whether it is odd or even. If we press it Y, then it will ask for another number. If we enter anything apart from Y, then it will end the program. Okay, 45 is an odd number. If I input another number, because I entered here 64 instead of Y, it ended the program. Let's run it again. It is even, then Y, then no. If I press a no, it ends the program. Okay. Then we have nested loop. When a loop is used inside the body of another loop, it is called nested loop. So this is the syntax. We have an outer loop. Inside that, we will use another loop. This is the statement for the inner loop, and this is the statement for the outer loop. Let's see then example. Okay, it is a program for multiplication table from 1 to 3. What we have done, first we have, this is the outer loop. It will work for 3 times. Then inside that, this is the inner loop, and this is the logic for multiplication table. Let me run it. We printed the multiplication table from 1 to 3. This is for 1. This is for 2. And this is for 3. How we have done it? Let me explain it. Okay, it will work till as long as it is less than equals to 3. It means we have inserted the variable here I equals to 1 means it will work for 1 to 3. So in the first loop, it is coming inside and we are initializing j equals to 1 and it will work till 10 times as long as j is less than equals to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 times it will work. So in the first line, what it is doing, it is printing whatever the value I. So currently it is the value of I is 1. Then it is printing this star symbol. Then j, whatever the value of j is 1. Then I into j means 1 into 1. It is printing. Then again what we are doing now, j was 1. Now j is j plus 1. It's mean 2. Here it is again coming. Now it is I equals to 1 and j, because we have incremented it, j becomes 2. 1 into 2, 2. Similarly, it will in the next line, it will print 1 into 3. It will work till 1 into 10. So when j becomes j plus 1 means j becomes 11, it comes here and it checks whether it is less than equals to 10 or not. It is not because j's value is now 11. So it goes to this outer loop. Now I becomes 1 plus 1, 2. Okay. So it will perform the steps like 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 3 up to 2 into 10. When again j becomes 11, then it will check here j is less than 10 or not. If it is not, then it will come here. It will make I equals to I plus 1. It means I equals to 2 plus 1 equals to 3. And similarly, it will perform the multiplication table for 3. Okay. Got it? How it is done? Then we have the jump statement. Sometimes there is a situation when the control of the program needs to be transferred out of the loop body, even if all the values of the iterations of the loop have not been completed. Okay. For this purpose, we use jumping statements. We have three types of jump statements: the break statement, the continue statement, and the pass statement. Let's see one by one. The break keyword is used for bringing the program out of the loop. This is the syntax. Let's see it by an example. Okay, what it did? We have previously defined that it should work from 1 to 10 and it will print each number one by one. But when it finds the number equals to 7, it will come out of the loop. Okay. Then we have the continuous statement. When a continuous statement is encountered inside a loop, control of the program jumps to the beginning of the loop for the next iteration, skipping the execution of the rest of the statements of the loop for the current iteration. This is the syntax. Loop statements continue and the code to be skipped. Let's see with it an example. Let's close. So it has skipped only 8. Whenever it finds 8, whatever the statement after this it will skip. Okay. So it printed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It skipped. What was happening in break? Whenever it was finding the break statement, it was coming out of the loop. But in continue, it will skip only those statements after continue. Okay. Okay. So I used another condition. If the number is 5 or 8, then it will skip 1, 2, 3, 4, then 6, 7, 9. Okay, you got it. Then we have the pass statement. The pass statement is a null statement that is written in place of the code that you want to write later. This statement helps to avoid errors that occurs due to empty codes. So if we mention a write pass statement, it will do nothing. Let's see the example. Suppose in this program, I want that if it finds the number is even, then it will do nothing and it will pass. Okay, let's run it. 45 is an odd number, then yes, we want to continue. Let's enter 34. It didn't check whether it is even or odd. We again raise 12. Okay, now okay, this is all for this tutorial. Next chapter we will discuss about the functions. Till then, if you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. I will try to answer that. Thank you for watching this tutorial.